Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to withdraw on Bet365. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. So first of all, you'll have to go to your web browser, then on the search bar type in bet365.com. Once you type it in, you'll get to this website. Once you get to this website, you'll have to click on this login button and log into your account. So enter your credential on this box and then click on login. Once you have done so, you'll be logged into your account. Now click on your profile at the top right corner. Now from this menu, click on this bank icon. Then it will take you to this page. Now you will see this option, withdraw, click on it. Then it will show your bank details like your account number and expiry date. Then you'll also get a box where you can enter the amount that you want to withdraw. Once you enter the amount, on the next box you'll have to enter your account's password, and once you do that, click on the withdraw button and the amount that you have entered will be withdrawn into your account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.